Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove Threads badge on Instagram profile. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Threads badge is a bunch of numbers below your name on your Instagram profile. I'm going to show you how you can remove it completely and keep that clean look on your Instagram account. So, if you've recently joined Threads and linked your Instagram account with it, you will notice a little Threads badge with some numbers. Those numbers represent how many Thread accounts were created when you created your account. We can easily remove this badge or hide it by clicking on it. Then this little menu will pop up on our screen. It says that you are this number to have joined Threads. Keep in mind that this badge can be useful because people can click on it on your Instagram profile, and then they will be taken to your Threads account directly in the app. They can then see your Threads profile and maybe follow you or other stuff. If you want to hide it, simply tap on this hide badge button on the bottom of the screen. Then this message will pop up. They will notify you that you won't be able to add this badge back on your Instagram profile. So think about it, and if you are sure that you want to remove it, simply tap here and your Threads badge will be removed from Instagram, and that's it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.